Welcome to greytHR. Now we'll show you how to create an offer letter from greytHR Recruit. Let's dive in. On the greytHR Recruit portal, go to the Candidates tab and select a candidate. Click the Jobs tab and click the job card. From the Candidate Status drop-down, select Offered. This will make the Create an Offer document button appear. Click on it and the Create Offer document pop-up will open. Under Choose Template, select the required template from the drop-down. You can preview the selected template before proceeding. If you need to add or change a letter template, go to Settings, Templates. Click Next and the Fill Details section will appear. Here, enter important details such as the candidate's full name, job title, and joining date. Once done, click Preview Document to see how the final offer letter will look. Now click Generate Document. This will take you to the Request for Approval section. Now decide whether you need approval before sending the document. Under Request for Approvals, choose between I need approval or skip approval based on your organization's process. If you require approval, add a reviewer and set the priority. The selected reviewer will receive an email notification to approve the document. Under Additional Files to review, click plus Add Files if you need to attach any additional documents. Click Send for approval and the Set Expiry section will appear. From the drop-down calendar, select an expiry date for the offer letter. Click Next and the Upload Signed Documents section will open. Here you can upload the signed offer letter from your system. If needed, you can choose to skip this step. And that's it. You've successfully created and configured an offer letter in greytHR Recruit. Now that the offer is sent, the next step is to collect documents from candidate. In the next video, we'll walk you through how to seamlessly gather and manage candidate documents for a smooth onboarding process. Stay tuned.